I've got a Toyota Tacoma, 2003,
Mm-hmm.
and it's turning over, but it won't fire up, like it's not getting fuel. If I spray starting fluid like ether into it, it'll fire up and run, but only on the
CarHelpOut.com.
ether.
It's the convenience.
After I quit spraying, it'll shut off. Do you have any recommendations or hints as to what that might be?
And this started how recently?
Yeah, just this morning. This morning it fired up and I drove to work, and then I shut it off and I went to start it back up, and this is when that happened.
Okay. Have you checked at all if you're getting fuel?
No, I wouldn't really know. I don't think I am getting fuel, because where the fuel line
so
comes up and goes into the fuel rail there, if I turn the key, the engine turns over, there's no fuel coming out.
Okay. It's probably a pump then.
Okay.
That's what it sounds like, or fuel filter. I would check those two out first.
Okay. And is that something you can access?
CarHelpOut.com. It's the convenience.
Sure. Absolutely. You just you would have to test it.
From up underneath the truck there?
Yeah, or from the service port on the fuel rail.
I'm sorry, say that again?
I said, or the service port on the fuel rail.
Service port on the fuel rail.
Yeah.
Oh, is that where the filter is there?
Yeah, I mean, or you can just pop the filter off and kind of take the banjo bolt off, and if it starts rushing out fluid, then, I mean, your pressure's good. If not, then I'd check that.
It looks like I have a fuel line coming into a small cylinder, which
CarHelpOut.com.
Would there be
it's
a filter
the
up
convenience.
towards the front here that's like real tiny?
Yeah, or it could be a regulator.
A regulator. Okay, so I took the fuel line off before that regulator, and there's no fuel coming out when I turn it over.
Yeah, then either it's probably most likely your pump.
Okay. All right. I appreciate your help.
Yeah, man.
Remember, if you don't feel like doing it yourself, you can always call a mobile mechanic specialist that will come to any location convenient for you. We can help you get back on the road again by putting their knowledge and years of experience to work for you. CarHelpOut.com/location for a local mobile mechanic car repair service near you. And we do pre-purchase inspections on used car buying at any location. CarHelpOut.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.